Hey guys, so I got a package from somebody I'm collaborating with, and I'm about to review it and tell y'all how I like it. Be honest over here. Whether I get something for free or not, y'all know y'all get my honest review. So first thing, they got a package real cute. Okay. They gave me this band. It says Queen on it. You know, to melt that lace. It comes with a comb and got a card, and it comes with a wig cap. It's just a wig cap, and then the wig. So this is a 16-inch, 13 by 4 or 13 by 6. I don't know. Don't get me lying. Okay. So when I first took it out, it smelled really good. Get down. Get down. Okay. If y'all hear my dogs, my bad. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, so this is the hair. Whoa. That feel nice. That feel really nice. It's so soft. It smells really good. And this is a lace. This is transparent lace. Yeah, this is like a... No, this is a 13. Yeah, this is a 13 by 4. It got a lot of lace on it, but that's okay because you could cut that off. This looks like it's pre-plucked. It's really beautiful. Okay. They did that. I can't wait to install it. But this is just a little review. It's really soft. And this is a 16-inch. There we go. It's really soft. Okay. That feels really nice. And this is from Axe Wish Hair. Yeah, it's nice. I give it a, just from initial review, the smell is a 10. The way it feels.